We're in a candy store. Welcome to Lali Land Adventures.
Probably not the best choice in shirt today.
Guys, welcome to Lali Land Adventures. I can't see, sorry, hi. It's my birthday, I'm wearing some birthday earrings, and we're in the town of Lititz, Pennsylvania. There's a windstorm coming.
We are gonna go eat some food in Lititz right now. It's Lali's birthday, so she gets whatever she wants. We're gonna start off in Do Bakery.
And it is packed up in here. This might be the only donuts they have left. They got all the Easter candies. So it's super busy in here, but they have everything. So it's 10:30 on a Sunday. They have crumb cakes, they have cookies, anything you can imagine. I went with a bagel, Mikey went with a sandwich, and a coffee. So I sent Mikey back up to get one of those long johns over there, the vanilla long johns, because I don't think you can come to Do Bakery without getting a donut. So we're gonna go for it. You got me that long john. I mean, we can't come here without trying.
I get some napkins.
Without trying the famous long johns. Did a random stranger just hand napkins to you?
She was like, "Are you waiting in line for coffee?" I'm like, "No, I'm just waiting for napkins." And she went, "God."
All right, tell me what the coffee tastes like. Mikey's a coffee snob, so let's see.
I don't want to burn that. This is our breakfast blend.
Well, a very inappropriate Rihanna song is playing in the background. I got an Asiago bagel, which is my absolute favorite. This looks amazing.
This is really good.
With butter, toasted with butter.
I got an Asiago bagel as well, but I got a big mac and cheese on mine.
Oh, babe.
Looks really good, right?
I also love that you say Asiago. Very fancy.
Oh, cool.
I'm very boring, just butter on my Asiago. Babe, my little wristbands are still on from the car.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to tell
I wear those so I don't get motion sickness, and it worked for the 2-hour drive, so you're supposed to tell me. Right, so
that looks really good. Right? I could eat 3 more of these.
But you won't. We got a lot of eating to do today. It is time. I'm full, but it's my birthday. We gotta keep going. Oh, there's nothing on the inside.
Yeah.
I thought there was cream filling. I couldn't tell which way he was going with that.
Doesn't need anything in the middle.
Oh, really? I've almost knocked the coffee over like 5 times. It's fine. The buttercream?
Yeah.
Or vanilla icing, whatever it is. Slow down a little bit. They are working their butts off in the kitchen back there.
I just blew on it like it was hot.
It's gonna be one of those days. Can we just talk about the coffee's delicious? I don't know about you, but that was a really good breakfast.
That was amazing breakfast, yeah.
Out of the windstorm into my chocolate. Yes, that's a cute idea. Look at the little shoe. What a cute little gift. Look, look, look. Wow. Dark chocolate mocha crunch bar. But look at the old things. See those red cough drops? I bet those worked.
Yeah.
Back in the day, these cough drops definitely worked.
Ready? get the milk chocolate buzz because this is what they're famous for.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What's my weakness, babe? A good Easter basket. Not bunnies, but like a good Easter basket. Eggs with bows. Fancy bag. Oh my god, Wilbur's Wheel of Fortune. Alright guys, so I don't know who put Aries on there, but sorry y'all, it's Pisces season. A Pisces person has little worldly ambition, content to live with little concern for money. To these people, the best candy gifts are spun candies, divinities, chocolate puffs, or milk chocolate peanuts. I don't know about that, but I agree with the first part. Smell it? Oh my gosh. That's like real chocolate right there. That was amazing. Look at the prices back in the day. 40 cents.
Soy candle.
Are they both? Yeah.
Yeah.
You can light that tonight and sing happy birthday for me, and then the chocolate smell is my cake.
I could.
You won't.
No?
Your official first bud. Hook me up with a semi-sweet. Thank you. Official taste test. Do you like the milk?
I do like the milk, yeah. It's good, right?
What is your favorite kind of candy at a chocolate store? Chocolate factory? Have you ever been to a chocolate factory? Do we all wish we could visit? What is Willy Wonka's chocolate factory called? That
Yeah.
I mean, you got Hershey, you got, by us it's David Bradley chocolate, and out here it's Wilbur. Let me know if Milton Hershey was his enemy or his friend. I don't know how I missed this, but they just popped out a chocolate bar for 5 cents. Wow. He acting like it's his birthday, y'all. So it has just been brought to Mikey's attention.
So charged.
How did we not even think about that? He's a cheater, everybody. We're in Wilbur. He's wearing Hershey. You traitor. Thanks. He totally called him out, the worker in there. The employee's like, he's like, you're wearing our rival in here.
I didn't even catch that. That was a good catch by him.
How did I not even realize? We're gonna be having lunch today at the Tomato Pie Cafe. Is this not the cutest place you've ever seen? I love water in a bottle, even if it's tap. You hear what he says to me, everybody? Because he knows I spill everything.
No,
I did? I didn't even know. It's a very cute place. Let's get up there. I have the view of the center because I have the apartment building, the old Wilbur chocolate factory right here, and Mikey has the park. And the best part is we're not out in the wind. So the tomato pie. Signature pies are served warm with fresh greens and a savory herb scone, but they don't tell you on here what it is. Do you remember how to describe it?
It's like baked tomatoes in like a pie crust, right?
Yeah. He acts like everyone should know that. Can we talk about the adorable menu? And I know their menu changes, so you have to like look online for their stuff. Like right now they have the spring features, which the lemon regatta French toast sounds amazing. Oh, here we go. Fresh red tomatoes seasoned perfectly with herbs and baked in our own pie shell with cheeses. It's not pizza. Does anybody else, that's fine. Does anybody else love this kind of ice? What is this?
Shaved ice.
Shaved ice? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
I love this kind of ice in my unsweet iced tea.
Probably not the best choice in shirt today.
We're close by. It's just not what they're known for. They're known for Wilbur chocolate here.
I feel like the visiting team that wears his jersey to the home team's place, yeah.
So just FYI, we got the tomato pie and we got the roast beef, hot roast beef sandwich with au jus sauce to try. So I wanted to come here for a while, so I'm very excited to be at the Tomato Pie Cafe.
Tomato pie?
We can put it,
that's what
yeah, we'll figure it
There's
out.
an extra plate under there.
Awesome, I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Here is the roast beef. Oh, I love a good ciabatta bread. Tomato pies at home or a pizza, if you will. This smells so good. Is it like a quiche in a way? Quiche vibes? We got roast beef, we got, I think it's Swiss? Question mark? I'm a dipper.
How's that good?
It's my vibe.
Switch?
Mm-hmm. I want to get the crust because I'm a crust fan. It's just we're having problems.
You gotta get the tomatoes.
I'm trying. Man. It's a tomato. Hi. There's a little scone. A savory scone. And I like random greens. Happy birthday. The man that used to not eat tomatoes. Did you enjoy the tomato pie?
Yeah, really tastes good.
Mikey likes a quiche. This was delicious, guys. So I loved that this roast beef, you know, sometimes you get it where you can't chew it. It was tender. It was delicious. I would come back here for breakfast. I saw everyone's breakfast.
Yep. Absolutely. They have all these different hashes. Like, you guys know what, like, what do they call that? What's the famous hash? Anyway. Oh, corned beef hash.
Yeah.
Corned beef hash. They have like a cheesesteak hash here and a couple other ones that sounded really good. So I would definitely get one of those, but I would get the quiche too.
This was a honey lavender iced tea. I asked for unsweetened iced tea and I got honey lavender and I'm not mad at it. That was delicious. Delicious. Smallest restroom of my entire life. This is it. This is it. That's a wall and that's a wall. Jesus Lord, help me. So there is an upstairs. There's another room. I'm so sorry. There's the main door and then this is where we're eating this side. Do you plan to use the restroom?
Depends on your
The
view.
smallest bathroom I've ever experienced. I try to show everybody. I hit the wall so many times. You gotta.
It's like a really old house.
Yeah. Yeah. I would highly recommend you go now and experience it.
I've been on an airplane, so it's bigger.
Yes! Was it the most awkward thing ever?
It was.
Like even like small people would have a struggle in there for sure. Good times?
Good times.
I'm glad we came here, I really am. There was another room over there that they seat a few people, not many though. So what'd you think?
That was really good.
Yeah, something different.
That was really good. Very tasty at the Tomato Pie Cafe. We sat right in that little corner table by the window.
And those people right there that I just pointed out.
Yeah.
Shamrock shake, and it was like a real shamrock shake.
I want to eat here. It's an old bar. Oh, dude.
I didn't even know there was a bar. Next week on Laliland Adventures, we'll wrap up our trip to Lititz by visiting the Sturge's Pretzel Bakery, which was the oldest in America. So stay tuned. We'll see you next week. Thank you for watching Laliland Adventures. Love you guys.